Edinburgh Radar, good morning. Golf Bravo, India, India Tango with your request on transit.
Golf Bravo, India, India Tango, Edinburgh Radar, hello, just stand by. Golf Bravo, India, India Tango, pass message.
Golf Bravo, India, India Tango is a PA28 5 to 5 via Kelty Bridges, overhead Arthur Seat, exit at Musselburgh, and will be transiting back direct to Kirkcaldy and then back to Fife. Currently 1,200 just east of Kelty, requesting zone transit.
Roger, stand by.
So 52 Echo Delta is fully established.
So 52 Echo Delta, contact tower 118.7.
187, so 52 Echo Delta, fine now.
Plane. Golf India Tango, squawk 0431.
0431 Golf India Tango.
Golf Lima Delta, initial clearance limit is Hermston Gate.
Cleared to Hermston Gate, Golf Lima Delta. Can we leave 3000 with the glide, easy one for Zulu Charlie?
Hey, and descend altitude 2,000 feet further with the glide.
Roger, descend 2000 and further with the glide.
Golf Bravo, India, India Tango, you're cleared to enter the control zone, VFR not above altitude 2,000 feet. Routing Kelty Bridges overhead Musselburgh and not above 2,000 feet.
Copy, clear to enter the zone via Kelty Bridges, overhead, exit Musselburgh, not above 3,000 feet, VFR Golf India Tango, thank you.
Easy 14 Zulu Charlie, speed 160 knots or less.
160 or less, easy 14 Zulu Charlie.
Easy 423, turn left heading 330 degrees, descend to altitude 3,000 feet.
Heading 330 degrees and descend 3,000 feet, easy 423.
Golf Lima Delta in the control zone now, radar control. Contact Edinburgh Tower 118.7.
Control 118.7, Golf Lima Delta.
Easy 423, descend to altitude 3,000 feet.
Descend 3,000 feet, easy 423.
Good morning, Edinburgh. Global, November 90 Charlie Charlie 140 descending flight level 70 with information Charlie.
November 980 Charlie Charlie, Edinburgh Radar, hello, and yeah, just continue giving me good rate of descent on that heading, please.
Very good. Good rate down, and we're on a heading of 140.
Golf India Tango, your initial clearance limit is the bridges.
Copy, clearance limit to the bridges, Golf India Tango.
Radio TSA Foxtrot.
Easy 423, turn left heading 280 degrees, cleared ILS.
Heading 280 degrees and cleared ILS, easy 423.
Easy 14 Zulu Charlie, contact tower 118.7.
187, easy 1 for Zulu Charlie, so long. Edinburgh Radar, easy 65, Foxtrot Kilo, sending flight level 70, direct Parton. A320, information Charlie, QNH 1023.
Easy 65, Foxtrot Kilo, Edinburgh Radar, good morning, continue present heading, number 5 in traffic.
Present heading, Roger, easy 65, Foxtrot Kilo.
Easy 423, descend to altitude 2,300 feet.
Descend altitude 2,300 feet, easy 423.
Golf India Tango inside the control zone, radar control, and contact tower 118.7.
Switching to tower 118.7, Golf India Tango.
November 980 Charlie Charlie, descend
Edinburgh Tower, good morning, Golf Bravo, India, Tango with you, squawking 0431, just 2 miles south of Kelty.
Golf Bravo, India, Tango, Edinburgh Tower, thank you. Report at the bridges.
What port bridges, Golf India Tango?
Starboard 52 Echo Delta, vacate left, hold Alpha 12.
Vacate left, hold Alpha 12, starboard 52 Echo Delta.
AG140 Charlie, VADR just vacating at Bravo, land after runway 24 to wind 25014 knots.
Okay, clear to land 24 and Bob was open, 14 Zulu Charlie.
It is open, sir.
Thank you.
Starboard 5 Echo Delta, contact Edinburgh ground 121.750, bye-bye.
Background 121.750, starboard 52 Echo Delta, thanks.
Edinburgh Tower, hello, EG423 with you at 6.5 miles, ILS 24.
Okay, 423 Edinburgh Tower, continue approach runway 24, just becoming number 1.
Continue, EG423.
Edinburgh Tower, Golf India Tango.
Golf India Tango.
Can you confirm the QNH at Edinburgh, please?
QNH 1023.
1023, copy, Golf India Tango, thank you.
Okay, 140 Charlie, vacate left, hold Alpha 12.
Vacate left, Alpha 12 to hold, 14 Zulu Charlie.
Okay, 140 Charlie, contact Edinburgh ground 121.750, bye-bye.
12175, easy 14 Zulu Charlie, bye.
Okay, 423, the wind 260.12 knots, clear land number 24.
Clear land 24, EG423.
Golf India Tango, it's overhead North Tower 1700 on 1023, and we have visual on the airfield.
Golf India Tango, roger. Traffic you're looking for is an EasyJet A320 on a 3 mile final, runway 24. Have you got that one in sight?
We're still looking, Golf India Tango.
Golf India Tango, route towards Kirkliston, please remain north of 24 to the vice.
Copy, we'll route towards Kirkliston, and we have visual on the traffic now, Golf India Tango.
Roger.
Tower, Golf Lima Delta, orbit's complete, currently over Murrayfield, routing Hermiston clearance, and we have landing traffic in sight.
Golf Lima Delta, thank you, reporter Hermiston.
Hermiston, Golf Lima Delta.
Golf India Tango, sorry, still got that EasyJet inside short final, runway 24?
Hey, from Golf India Tango.
Golf India Tango, roger. If you cross runway 24, the 24 threshold above and behind that landing traffic, report to the south side.
Copy, we'll pass behind and above at the 24 threshold behind the traffic. Golf India Tango will report south side.
Golf India Tango, further traffic information for you. Cessna 210, opposite direction, city centre, routing towards the 24 threshold northbound, not above 2,000 feet VFR.
Roger, Golf India Tango, we're looking.
Hello, JZ5 Tango Charlie, taxi Delta 1, ready to reach you.
JZ5 Tango Charlie, Edinburgh Tower, roger. Golf Lima Delta, that EasyJet traffic short final well ahead of you. Cross runway 24 at the 24 threshold, report to the north side. Traffic information for you, opposite direction, Cherokee traffic just south of the bridges, routing opposite direction over the 24 threshold, not above 2 VFR.
Lima Delta, transition behind landing traffic, report north side, and we're keeping a lookout for that traffic. We are currently 1300 feet, 1023.
Roger, the other one's indicating 1,700 unverified.
Lima Delta.
Okay, 423, vacate left, hold at Alpha 12.
Left and Alpha 12, EG423.
Golf India Tango south of the 24 center line.
Golf India Tango, thank you. And you got the other VFR on site, 11 o'clock at about a mile?
Negative, we got the sun in my eyes, we're still looking, Golf India Tango.
Okay, he's lower than you. I've got you both inside, that's fine, just continue eastbound.
Roger, we'll continue eastbound. I've got just visual on the traffic now, Golf India Tango.
KZ423, contact Edinburgh ground 121.750, bye-bye.
121.750, easy 423, bye.
Jersey 5, Tango, Charlie by Delta 1, line up on way, runway 24.
Delta 1, line up way 24, Jersey 5, Tango, Charlie.
November 0, Charlie, Charlie, Edinburgh, you with me?
Yes, sir. Just with you, ILS 24.
November 980, Charlie, Charlie, thank you. Continue approach, runway 24, number 11 to depart ahead.
Continue approach, 0 Charlie, Charlie.
Golf Lima Delta's north side.
Golf Lima Delta, thank you. Jersey 5 Tango Charlie, clear for takeoff runway 24 to wind 25014 knots.
Clear for takeoff runway 24, Jersey 5 Tango Charlie.
Golf India Tango, back to approach please, 121.2, bye-bye.
Back to approach 121.2, thanks for your help, Golf India Tango.
Golf Lima Delta, also back.
Edinburgh approach, hello again, Golf India Tango, back with you, 1,900, and we're proceeding direct Arthur C.
Sorry, that Golf India Tango back on frequency.
Affirm.
Golf India Tango, Roger, report Musselburgh.
Report Musselburgh, Golf India Tango.
Approach Golf Whiskey Yankee Lima Delta, also back on frequency just south shore of the bridges routing Kelty.
Golf Lima Delta, radar, Roger. Easy 65, Foxtrot Kilo, speed 160 knots or less, contact tower 118.7.
Speed 160 knots or less, tower 118.7, easy 65 Foxtrot Kilo.
Shuttle 16 Echo Delta, descent to altitude 4,000 feet.
Descent to altitude 4,000, Shuttle 16 Echo Delta.
Golf India Tango, you plan to route round just outside the control zone towards Kirkcaldy?
Affirm, Golf India Tango.
Roger, remain outside the control zone then, and can you accept not above 2,000 feet? I will have inbound traffic for runway 24 descending to 3,000 feet on top.
Roger, and we'll stay below 2,000, Golf India Tango. Golf India Tango is overhead, Musselburgh 1,700.
Golf India Tango, Roger, and it's a basic service again.
Copy basic service, Golf India Tango.
Shuttle 16 Echo Delta, turn right heading 360 degrees.
Right heading 360 degrees, Shuttle 16 Echo Delta.
Shuttle 16 Echo Delta, there's traffic straight ahead of you by 4 miles. Under my control, not above 2,000 feet VFR remaining outside the control zone.
Okay, we believe we have on TCAS versus traffic, Shuttle 16 Echo Delta.
Shuttle 16 Echo Delta, descent altitude 3,000 feet.
Descent altitude 3,000 feet, Shuttle 16 Echo Delta.
And radar leg 87 Yankee informed with you passing flight level 82, descending 70, 340 Delta 1023.
Leg 87 Yankee uniform and the radar low, you identified deconfliction service.
Deconfliction service, leg 87 Yankee informed.
Golf Lima Delta, basic service again.
Basic service, Golf Lima Delta.
Traffic in sight, Shuttle 16 Echo Delta.
Shuttle 16 Echo Delta, thank you.
Request further descent, leg 87 Yankee informed.
Leg 87 Yankee uniform, descent altitude 5,000 feet, GNH 1023.
Descent altitude 5,000 feet, 1023, leg 87 Yankee uniform.
Shuttle 16 Echo Delta, turn left heading 280 degrees and cleared ILS runway 24.
Left heading 280 degrees, cleared ILS runway 24, Shuttle 16 Echo Delta.
Golf India Tango. Traffic you may see is an Airbus A320 just about to cross over the top of you right to left, currently at 3,000 feet, just turning onto final for runway 24.
Roger, Golf India Tango, we're looking.
You probably won't see us.
Setting 120 degrees. Logan 87 Yankee uniform, turn left heading 120 degrees.
Left 120 degrees, leg 87 Yankee uniform.
Golf India Tango, we have visual on the traffic.
Golf India Tango, thank you. Logan 87 Yankee uniform, descent altitude 4,000 feet.
Descent altitude 4,000 feet, leg 87 Yankee uniform.
Logan 87 Yankee uniform, just enter the TMA search radar control.
Radar control now, Logan 87 Yankee uniform.
Logan 87 Yankee uniform, turn right heading 210 degrees, descent altitude 3,000 feet, cleared ILS runway 24.
Right heading 210 degrees, descent altitude 3,000 feet, cleared ILS 24, 87 Yankee uniform.
Shuttle 16 Echo Delta, contact Edinburgh Tower, 118.7, bye-bye.
118.7, shuttle 166 Delta, bye.
Edinburgh approach, Golf Lima Delta just north of Ballardo, request frequency change, Dundee approach 122.905.
Golf Lima Delta, roger that, frequency change approved and squawk 7000, bye-bye.
Yeah, bye.
Golf India Tango, just 1 mile south of Kirkcaldy, requesting frequency change to 5130.455.
Golf India Tango, roger, yeah, frequency change approved and squawk 7000, bye-bye.
Frequency change approved, squawking 7000. Thanks for your help, Golf India Tango.
Thank you.
Localizer established, like an 870 Yankee uniform.
Like an
530, good afternoon. Good afternoon, Golf India Tango with you requesting airport information.
Golf Bravo India India Tango, we're on runway 24 left hand. QFE is 1007. I've got one PA20 in the circuit, presently base, over.
Copy 24 left hand, QFE 1007 and copy traffic. Golf India Tango will be flying into the left downwind.
Golf India Tango.
Seaside Foxtrot 3, final touch and go.
Seaside Foxtrot 3, roger.
Golf India Tango select correction, we'll be flying straight into the left base 24 for a full stop.
Golf India Tango, roger.
Golf India Tango is left base 24.
Golf India Tango, roger.
Golf India Tango is on final 24 for a full stop.
Golf India Tango.
Golf Indigo, just a heads up, I'm getting a lot of chop on the 2-4 final.
Golf India Tango, Roger.
Seaside Foxtrot 3, downwind, touch and go.
Seaside Foxtrot 3, Roger.